Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of getlasso.com. On this website today we have a blog to read, an article basically to read about Babbel affiliate program. So we are going to read the review, or you can say we are going to learn about what Babbel affiliate program is and how is it going to work for us or making us money. Bable affiliate program is a clever play on words based on the story of Tower of Babel. Babel offers a range of language training courses, but with a twist. Instead of being presented with a full vocabulary of a foreign language, you can choose which aspects of it you need. For example, business, travel, etc. You'll only have to learn the words and phrases you are most likely to use. Become a Babel affiliate. How to become a Babel affiliate? Join the affiliate program and get your Babel affiliate link. The first thing you need to do become a Bable influencer is sign up for their affiliate program. Their application will require some basic information about your business and your audience. Follow the instructions to complete and submit your application. After you submit your application, it will typically take a few days for Bable to approve or deny your application. Once you are accepted, you will be granted access to your affiliate dashboard where you can find and copy your unique affiliate referral link. Add your referral link to relevant content. You can start monetizing your content right away by adding your Babel link directly to your blog posts. If you don't know, here's how to add affiliate links to your blog. Simply find content where Babel will fit your audience needs. Next, find the most relevant part of the post and add your link with optimized anchor tests. Then all you have to do is to keep creating content and wait for your audience to click your links. When they make purchases, you will earn $32 per sale. Okay. Then we also have tips to get succeeded in the Babbel affiliate program. Optimize your offers and earn more with Lesso. After you have added a few affiliate links to your content and started earning commissions, you should look for ways to increase your affiliate revenue. You can do this by adding great product displays, comparison tables, and CTA buttons to your blog posts. The easiest way to increase your affiliate and become monetize your site with Babbel is by using Lasso. Now, what about Babbel? Now, let's see. Lasso, you'll have a link management dashboard so you can see every post on your site with Babel link. You can also create stunning no-code affiliate displays, grid and tables. Those will increase your clicks and helps you earn more money from your existing content. Then create engaging content around Babel. When it comes to affiliate marketing, content is king. To successfully promote Bevel products, it's important to create content that not only attracts your audience but also engages them. Here's how. Understand your audience, know your readers' hobbies, their passions, and their pain points. This understanding will help you create content that resonates with them and solves their problems. Showcase the products. Use high quality images and videos to showcase Bubble products. If possible, purchase and use the products yourself. This will help you write with more authority and prove to your audience you know what you are talking about. Share personal experiences. People often connect more with personal experiences. Share your own stories about using Babbel talk about how the product show product solved problems or fit your needs, and explain how they will do the same for your readers. Then provide value, offering reviews and advice or how to guide related to Babbel's affiliate offers. This is not only this not only promotes the product but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Engage with your audience. Encourage your audience to leave comments. Ask questions. Share their own experiences with Babel. This can foster a sense of community and increase engagement on your posts. Analyze and understanding your affiliate data with Babel. Success in affiliate marketing largely depends on your ability to understand and analyze your affiliate data effectively. Doing so allows you to see what's working, what's not, and where you can make improvements to increase your earnings. Right? So this is all. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video. Before the next one, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.